Hi, I'm Caleb Isaac Renji. I'm studying first year mechanical engineering in Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the metal actinium. Actinium is a silvery radioactive metallic element. Due to its radioactivity, it glows in the dark with a blue light. It is found naturally in uranium ores. It is quite rare to find actinium as an isolated element, and it is more frequently produced in the lab for research purposes. Actinium glows blue in the dark as a result of ionization of gases in the air caused by its radioactivity. Actinium extracted from the uranium ores is the isotope actinium-227, which has a half-life of 21.7 years. André-Louis Debierne discovered actinium. He was a friend of Marie and Pierre Curie, who worked with him on isolating the radioactive elements in pitchblende. Pitchblende is a radioactive uranium-rich mineral. Although he published descriptions of the element in 1899 and then again in 1900, there lie some questions as to whether his techniques had actually allowed the element to be properly identified. What is known is that the German chemist Friedrich Oskar Giesel was also investigating the element actinium, and by 1904 had unambiguously isolated it. Because of the glow that emanated from it, he named his new element imanium. In the development of production of nuclear medicines, researchers at Berkeley Lab's Nuclear Science Division are preparing effective and safer treatment options for life-threatening cancers using actinium. In the field of medicine, actinium is used as an agent for radiation therapy. As a neutron source, it has an immense value as it is really radioactive compared to radium. Actinium can be used as the active agent in targeted alpha therapy, a technique for restraining the growth of secondary cancers by direct exposure to radiation with nuclear material, in this case bismuth derived from actinium. Actinium is used in scientific research to study the properties of alpha decay and behavior of nuclear matter. In radiography, it is used as a tracer in industrial radiography to detect flaws in metal products. Actinium is used as a fuel for advanced nuclear reactors due to its high neutron yield and potential for breeding fissile isotopes. The oxide of actinium pressed with beryllium, often referred to as ACBE, is also an efficient neutron source. Actinium beryllium-based neutron probes are used to measure water presence and density in soil, in neutron radiography and in other radiochemical testing applications. Extremely radioactive, actinium-227 is comparable to plutonium in terms of the potential for radiation-induced health consequences. Even trace levels of actinium-227 would pose a major risk to one's health. The greatest threat of radioactivity to life, as we know, it is damage to the gene pool, the genetic makeup of all living species. The genetic damage from radiation exposure is cumulative over lifetimes and generations. Even low-dose exposures are carcinogenic after extended exposure. The upcoming generation, the one in uterus, and all that follow may suffer many health problems such as cancers, immune system damage, leukemia, miscarriages, stillbirths, deformities, and fertility problems.